Hi friends, sulfur is essential mineral for synthesis of proteins like keratin and collagen, which are essential for stronger, thicker and longer hair. The best way to naturally get required amounts of organic sulfur is through MSM. MSM, when consumed internally or applied topically, can prove miraculous benefits. Let's make a simple gel with MSM that helps in the hair growth and treats patchy hair loss. Welcome to my channel Break the Snow. First, you need Aloevera Gel. It is better to get a 100% pure gel with no alcohol. Just squeeze in around a tablespoon of aloe vera gel into a jar like this. This forms as a base for quick absorption of MSM. Now we need MSM. This is a way hair can get required sulfur to grow longer and stronger. Add 1 scoop, which is equal to 1 gram or 1000 mg strength of MSM powder. You can also buy 1 gram MSM tablets and crush them into powder to use here. Make sure we use only 1 gram of MSM dose for this recipe. Mix them up gently. That's all. In a couple of minutes, MSM will get fully dissolved in the gel and you can apply it all over the scalp. You can leave it and let it dry, or you can also shampoo after 2 hours. This can help you in the hair growth, hair regrowth and clears dandruff. Please like our video and subscribe. Tap on bell notification to get more interesting videos. Thank you.